This is a walking pad handlebar that was sent over for me to test for this video. I'm going to give you a close-up look at this handlebar and share some of the things I learned while assembling it so that you can determine if this is right for you or not. Let's get into it. So this is how it's going to look when you take it out of the packaging. It does need to be assembled. It's super easy to do. Took about 15 minutes or so. All the parts are easy to identify. The instructions were mostly clear. The one thing that I will say is they tell you to put everything together before you put this foam piece across the top handle. You actually need to do that before you put it together. That was the one step in the assembly instructions that were out of order. Aside from that, it went together very smoothly. Here's the base of it around this walking pad here. As you can see, it fits very well. It's made out of steel. It's very well constructed. You got these tubular uprights here that are all steel. Everything's powder coated. The handles here are foam covered for comfort, as well as the top handle up here. It does have 3 positions. So right now it's in the very top position, and you got 2 additional positions if you want to actually put this down. And so I'm 6 foot tall, guys, and these handles here are a little bit short for me, but the top handles here work perfectly. So again, that's the very top position right there. You've got all your creature comforts. You got your cup holder, your phone holder that does rotate. So if you want to watch movies in horizontal or vertical position, you can do that. And it's also got a towel hook there. So everything fits perfect. It fits around these walking pads well. You know, these things here, if you're not careful, you can misstep on those. And so having this handlebar just makes walking on that a lot more secure. And having all of your creature comforts there just makes it a more enjoyable experience. So if you guys are looking for a handlebar for your walking pad, I highly recommend this here. This here is a nice piece of gear. I hope this helps.